In factors affecting intake structure location, there are some point. Means if suppose this is a river and we are supposed to locate the well over here. So where this well should be located? For finding out that, there are some factors which are affecting for location. The site for intake structure should be near to the treatment plant, water treatment plant, so that transportation of a water from intake structure to WTP plant, this is minimum. It must be located near pure zone, so that best quality of a water can be withdrawn, so that load of WTP can be reduced. It should not be located at the downstream side in a disposal of a wastewater. Downstream side is nothing but the opposite side. It should not be located near navigation channel. There are chances of intake well getting polluted at navigation channel. The site must be located to permit large quantity of water, so that future expansion is possible. In a worst drought condition, water should easily able to withdraw from the location. अशा लोकेशनला you must locate the intake structure. In a flood condition, it should be easily accessible. In a Mandarin river intake should not be located at the curves, so that it will be problematic. Now this is a schematic presentation of intake structure. These are the bar screen. This is a water level, or consider this is a flowing water body. These are the bar screens. Through this, water is allowed to pass. Now this is a conduit. This is a conduit. Water will come over here. This is the well. This is the well. Now this is a jack well. This is a jack well. This is a suction pipe, vertical pipe. Again, a strainer is present over here. This to that suction pipe, strainer is attached, so that whatever the water is entered over here, that water will allowed to come over here. You are supposed to have a pump over here. This is a pump house. Okay, so this is a concrete block. This is a cast iron lining, and this is a conduit. Conduit is a pipeline through which water is allowed to pass.